when we first started approaching our CXOs, it was, you can help provide a family sustaining wage. And then we tweaked the messaging a little bit in terms of, we can be a solution to a problem that your company might be having with regard to your talent pipeline. What are some other messages that you would share with either CXOs or potential employers about the program and what it's meant?
City, a lot of big companies moving to Charlotte, and there's a shortage of IT talent, and we had to look outside the box and not just do what we normally do and basically steal people from other company, which then steal people from us again. So we really wanted to use a different avenue, and that really helped out, and there was a great fit at that point with relationship with Aparo. So we connected to the Goodwill University, and it was fast. We had nothing to lose, right? There were great talents available. We interviewed and basically said, let's get this started. And
so we looked at it as a way to provide that help, or really that helping hand, just to give them the jump start. So in the beginning, there was a concern that, yes, this is going to be somewhat burdensome in the fact that it's going to take a lot of extra time in really mentoring or leading or training or teaching. So fortunately, that wasn't the case. As they're highly skilled, highly motivated. They work great. They work with everybody, very, very, very well. So all we need to do is just bring them in, and they've been just as productive as every other employee that we've had. Having different people who have different background, different education, different cultural ideas on how to do something. Because people aren't just working with the technology, they're working with people. And a lot of times the people have different ways of doing things, and that's really where a lot of the value in it.
We had no problems. They were 100% dedicated to the job. If at all, we need to slow them down. They took work home, and we had to tell them, look, you work 40 hours, you don't need to do more. So the passion was there, the communication, absolutely no concerns, and we were very impressed, and we thought, the whole integration phase will take 6 months or so. It was more like 4 weeks, really, and we are very happy with all 4 of the people we have hired, and it was so far a really great success. We understand better why the talent is as good as it is that Goodwill has a very strict and rigorous vetting process at the beginning to make sure the people which get into the program are dedicated, accountable, they know what they want, and that's what we really see here. When they come here, they are, always there. They're accountable, they communicate well, and I think that goes back to selecting the right people getting into the training. Now we get people in from the side, which have not worked in IT before, or only a little bit, and give those people a chance and really see they can do the job as well as everyone else, right? And I think that's very rewarding and a great takeaway for everyone. And I hope a lot of people realize that and take advantage of the Goodwill University.